Hi travelers! Welcome aboard to my channel. My name is Gloria and in today's video I want you to come with me and my boyfriend to spend the weekend camping and hiking in one of the mountains outside Stavanger in Norway. So now relax and enjoy the video.
Just have to wait for the dragon sound the eagle! I would kill to feel like dinner is so good every day, you know.
It's simple but tasty. Ready for adventure! I hope you liked the video and also leave me in comments if you have been camping or hiking around any other mountains. Click thumbs up if you like it and remember to subscribe to my channel. You can also see more information about work, study and live in Norway in my web travelwithglo.com. I hope you like it and see you next week. Ciao!